Hello, welcome to another episode of Spicy Grandmas. Here I am with Mama Lauder, my wonderful grandmother, and today we're making
Peach Cobbler. Grandma's Peach Cobbler.
It's amazing and it's one of my favorites, and we grew up eating it in the summertime. It's super easy to make and we can't wait to show you.
Hope you enjoy.
Got you some eggies from our chicken.
Cobbler farm egg.
Yay!
Another beautiful flower.
Love your flowers. So beautiful.
Well, here's some pictures of the finished Peach Cobbler.
This is what I did in
Pictures,
photography school. And this is my very first assignment, and I did
These are
a
the ingredients.
peach cobbler. This is your recipe book you love. All your best recipes.
These are some of the ingredients here. We start out with the 1 stick of butter. It's going to be 1 beaten egg. Your canned peaches, if you're using canned peaches, you can get the big can. And the syrup and everything, we're going to use that together. If you're going to be peeling them by hand, then you will have to make some kind of syrup for them out of sugar and boiled water. Then this takes 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of I use the raw sugar, 1 cup of that. Oh, this cinnamon, yeah. There's going to be some sprinkled cinnamon.
And what kind of flour is that again?
That's self-rising flour.
Okay.
Okay. The first step I do is to heat the oven, and 375 is about what I use. Get you a glass pan. I use the Pyrex. Sometimes I use a little bigger than this, and you can, but just be sure, the main thing, because it gets kind of sticky, and it's best if you spray your pan, and I use the butter spray. So. Okay, here's our peaches, that they look delicious. And we're going to just put all of that into our baking pan with a spoon here. Now these are the half peaches. I think we could squeeze in a few more. If you're wanting to slice those.
Okay, I can slice those for you.
If you want them. If not, everybody can say, when you cut the cobbler, each person can get 1
Oh
peach.
yeah, that's
so
nice.
Maybe we'll just leave it
That way.
that way for now. Okay, I think that'll work. It's depending if you want a little bit more syrup, because sometimes the top gets a little dry, so it doesn't hurt to have plenty of syrup. Okay, that's just extra. Okay, then I go ahead and melt 1 stick of butter in the microwave. The melted butter. I'm going to add a beaten egg to that. You have the Americana hands, I looks like.
Yeah. The Americana, yeah.
Okay.
Those are an egg from my chickens.
Yeah. Get no fresher than that. Okay, now that butter's not super hot, so it's not going to hurt the egg in any way. But I just mix these two together.
Okay.
The beaten egg in with the butter. Next step is your 1 cup of flour, self-rising flour. 1 cup of sugar. Mix that flour equally with the sugar, so they're equal parts. A little cinnamon in here. I believe we said a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, to mix that up. Final step is getting your butter egg mixture in with your flour. I just make a little dent down there to put it in. Okay, now this is going to be real sticky and stiff.
Okay.
But that's okay. It's just you just want to be sure that it's all blended. It don't matter that it's all sticky batter here. Okay, I think we got all of it off of the bottom. You're gonna drop this over the peaches.
Okay. Could not be easier.
Yeah, and that's all there is to it.
It's like 5 minutes.
It's the baking part that takes the longest.
Yeah.
And I like it with these half peaches like that. I had never done it that way. Usually you slice. But
slices, yeah.
this is neat because you can just cut a portion wherever
Each
the
person,
peach.
you have 9 portions.
Yeah. Everybody gets a taste of cobbler. And we are doing peach cobbler, but you can do this with just about any fruit. I've made it with blueberry cobbler, raspberry cobbler, strawberry.
Oh,
anything,
yeah.
Anything you would like to have for fruit. Apple, cut up apples. Just so if you're doing those other things, you have to be sure you put some, make a syrup first if it doesn't already come sweetened like the peaches are. Okay.
And did anyone teach you this recipe?
Yeah,
or
this was my mother's recipe. She made her cobbler this way. And it's just a simple old-timey recipe, but it sure is good.
It is good. We love the simple old-timey
and
things.
Quick.
And quick, yeah.
And you don't have time to spend hours putting it together. So basically there's the syrup, then the cobbler's going to be just dry.
Oh, I see.
No, it
Yeah,
absorbs.
look at all that
It all absorbs.
delicious syrup. I'm gonna do the honors and put it in myself. On the top one or the middle one?
This out there.
Okay. Good night,
A little bit.
Good night, little cobbler. Have a nice nap.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna set the timer over here. In about 45 minutes. Check on it, and if it's doing okay. But if it's getting too brown, the thing is you want it to get done in the middle, and you don't want to take it out too soon. I'm gonna set the timer for 50 minutes.
Okay.
But look at it at about 45, just to see that it's not getting overly brown.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Now, if we don't think it's quite enough, let me just see something. Be sure that batter's done. Still a little sticky. I think we're going to put it back.
All right, let's put it back.
Let's say an hour then, probably.
Okay. So we just do 50 minutes to check on it and then 10 more minutes to really...
if it really needs, if the batter's still too soft.
Okay, be careful.
Oh, that smells so good.
It does smell good.
Okay, it's been a full hour here, so I think we're good. This is really good with a spoon of vanilla ice cream on it.
Oh,
before
yeah.
it's totally cold. If it's still warm, add some vanilla ice cream or a little
Oh,
whipped
some
cream.
whipped cream, yum.
Now we're gonna do this because, as you remember, there's 9 peach halves in here.
Oh, that's
so
right.
if we cut it like right where those peaches are, then everybody will get a taste of the cobbler, and each one should get a peach.
That'll be perfect.
So let's try.
Oh, yum.
Ooh.
Yummy.
And see, there's just enough syrup down in there to spoon over that.
That looks delicious.
That's why I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna cut one more. Okay, so there's 2 peaches gone with cobbler. And this is so good.
Oh, so good.
Delicious.
Delicious. Perfect for summertime.
Yeah, summer treat.
A yummy summer treat.
Mmm. 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 Delicious.
Oh, wow.
Mmm. Wait till you taste that. Over here.
Forgot about the audience.
You gonna try this?
Oh, gee.
Oh.
No,
No, you don't need it. You don't
It's a
need-
documentary.
You don't
It
need
is a
that. You don't need that. Down.
That good
That
or
is a-
what?
that is a good one.
Has Mama Lauder always made these for you?
Yeah.
That is
One of
good.
his favorites. This and Pam.
This is definitely the family favorite for sure.
My
Here's the
mom
peach.
made this same one.
Is that delicious?
Mmm.
Oh, you gotta taste it, maybe.
Hi, popcorn.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to. Say hi. Say hi there.
Okay.
Okay, get a little bit of the peach, a little bit of the cobbler. Mmm. Wow. It's better than I remember.
I know it was better
Which-
than I remember.
It's such a clear like memory in my mind, but when you actually taste it,
I know. Hey, Holly.
oh my goodness,
And the cobbler part is just a little bit crisp,
it's so delicious.
which is so good.
Mmm.
Isn't that
Delightful.
good? It's amazing.
Hi, come on in. Come here. All right, here you go.
Michelle, let me get just taste
Mom, you got
that.
some? There you go. Really good.
Yeah, that's really good.
It is
good?
hot.
It's really good.
Here, taste
Love.
There you go.
Okay. And that's what love tastes like.
Bon appetito.
Bon appetito.